Good morning,
And which
everyone.
book, notebook or textbook?
Just sit, I will tell you. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Once again, good morning to all of you. Children,
Good
as you
morning,
all
ma'am.
know, that we have started the maths. Yes, please, Deer, you can. So, as you know, that we have already started the chapter number 3, trip to Bhopal. In that, there is the calculations given. So, on that basis, we are first learning the operations. We have started with first operation, which is addition, which is addition. Suppose if I write, we first recall addition 6,479 and 3,256. Now, Harsh Keshwani will tell me. Harsh Keshwani,
Yes,
these
ma'am.
are the two group of numbers which you need to add. These are called what? They have some names.
Edit. Ma'am.
Shivani, what are these called?
Excuse,
Dhwani, not Shivani.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm confused in that the
Yes,
story
ma'am.
one. Story.
I will discuss today, okay? What, Dhwani,
What,
you tell
ma'am?
me, what are these numbers called in addition?
Addition. This is called that addend one.
Okay, Vedi, what are these called? Unmute your mic, Vedi. What are these numbers called in the addition?
Addend 1 and addend 2.
Addend. Okay, Diva, what are these numbers called?
Excuse me, ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Vedi, wait a minute, I'll ask. Yes, Diva, what are these numbers called in the addition? Yes, please go, Shivani.
What, ma'am?
What are these numbers called in addition? Just now the students are saying why you are what?
Hello, ma'am. Addend 1 and addend 2.
Yes, these are called Diva. Now mute your mic and listen and pay attention here. Addends. These are called addends. So addend 1 and addend 2. Got it? Addend comes from the word addition. Addition word से ही बना है addend. So we call it at addend 1 and ADDEND addend 2. And the answer in the Jignesh will tell me answer in the addition is called
Ma'am,
what?
we have to
Sum.
write this.
No. Shivani, you always behind that, ma'am, what we have to write. I will tell you what you need to write. Till that, you just listen and pay attention here on the board.
Ma'am, sum.
The answer in the addition is called sum. Yes, Vedi, what was your doubt?
Ma'am, in yesterday's worksheet, we have to, in the second worksheet, activity worksheet, it is compulsory to be 1,000 rupees only, or it can be
Yes,
lower
it
than
is
that.
compulsory to be 1,000 only.
But in my answer, it's 735.
So you do it again. Retry it. Which four objects you will add so that the answer 1,000 will come.
Okay, ma'am.
Now comes the story problem as Dhwani was asking. Dhwani, what difficulty you facing in the story problems?
I am not understanding the story.
You frame your story, any story you can make
Okay.
on based on addition where you are combining something.
Okay. A farmer has
Not only with
100.
farmer already I have explained you
Okay.
something. Use
A
something else.
shopkeeper
Huh.
has 150 toys
Hmm.
in one shop.
Hmm.
So, what if we count three shops and it has same?
Then it will be multiplication comes, no? 3 times you will add it. Is you can say in one shelf, having 150, or in a library, in one there are many different shelves are arranged, right? In one shelf in a library there are 150 books. In second shelf, this is about the first shelf. Second shelf there are 130 books. Add them together. How many books are in a total in a library?
200. 280.
Got it? This way you need to find, right? Okay. Got it now? You
Ma'am, I have plus and minus, so I know, but in dividing, I
the division though I have not taught you in today till now. We still on the addition and subtraction only. When we learn division problem, we ask in that division. Now first we do subtraction. Before going to the subtraction, I want to tell you some properties of subtraction. Okay. What are the properties? Can you tell me, because you have learned this in the grade 3 also. What are subtraction properties?
Ma'am,
Yes.
we have to make our own word problems and write.
Right now?
Yes.
No. Just pay attention. Now subtraction topic is going on. Addition is already done. We were just revising the addition. Now we are going to the subtraction. What are the properties of subtraction? What are some rules given in the subtraction which you have already learned in grade 3? There is one rule related with 0. If any number, if 0 is subtracted from any number, for example, you have 9,645 chocolates and you have subtracted 0 from it, means you have not given anything to anyone. Shivani will tell me. Shivani, what is left with you?
9645.
Can you read it properly? We have learned how to read the numbers. Shivani?
90645.
How you are reading 906.45? Put the place values. Now read. Shivani, turn on your mic and read.
90,000.
90,000. Is this a 90,000? 9,000.
9,645.
9,645 minus 0. What will be your answer?
900.
Again, you're reading 900. Shivani?
9,645.
Earth will tell me, Earth, why the answer is same?
Ma'am, because some
Earth, Shivani, you are Earth. Mute your mic now.
Because there are 0.
So if you are subtracting 0 from any number, you will get the same answer. Got it? Okay. Next property is the property of 1. If you subtract 1 from any number, 4898, I will ask from Hare. Hare, first you should read this number properly.
4,898.
4,898. If you subtract 1 from this number, what you will get?
4,899.
Are you adding or subtracting?
I mean 408. 400.
400.
4,899.
How 99? 99 when you adding 1. You are subtracting 1.
Ma'am, I can
4,897.
4,897. Be quick in the answers and be smart. Now, have you observed here something? When you subtracting 1 from any number, Dhwani, I clear your doubt after this. If you're subtracting 1 from any number, you're getting the answer. Have you noticed what is happening? What are you getting here?
Ma'am, predecessor.
Predecessor. Got it?
Yes.
Before number. And before number, we have learned the new word which is predecessor.
And after number, successor.
Got it? This. So when you subtract 1 from any number, you will always get the predecessor of that number. Shivani, if unnecessary, you open your this mic. Please mute your mic. Yes, Shivangi. Any problem? Shivangi, you need to ask anything? You raised your hand.
No, ma'am. I want to answer.
Okay, good. I will answer again next. If you subtract 4,583 minus 4,583, if you subtract the same number from the same number, for example, if you have 10 chocolates, you have given all the 10 chocolates to someone. What is remaining with you?
0.
Zero.
Ma'am, 0.
Yes, remaining left. How much? These words I will explain you later. Now, so 0 is clear to you. When you subtract 0 from any number, the answer is same. When you subtract 1 from any number, you will get the predecessor of that number. When you subtract the same number from the same number, you will get the 0. Now, if suppose I am writing some numbers here, 4, 5, 6, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, and you need to subtract it. Okay. So this number is called what? The bigger number is called minuend. M-I-N-U-E-N-D.
Ma'am, minuend.
Minuend, and next is
Subtrahend.
subtrahend. And the answer is always called the difference in subtraction. Minuend, subtrahend, difference. If you want to write this question, write it in your notebook fast. Write the heading subtraction.
We have learned this in grade 2 also.
But still, you children are not giving me the proper answer. One or two, except 1 or 2 students. I'm not getting.
Only give subtract.
Yes, I know. Subtract this and find the difference, and please write these terms, these names also. The bigger number, minuend, subtrahend, difference. Yes, Dhwani. Yes, Dhwani, please ask.
Ma'am, that we write after word problems, we write that this chocolates remain of total, and that all I'm confused in that.
Total, altogether, or addition?
No, ma'am, that dash was that chocolates.
You say the proper sum, then I'll explain you.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes.
That we have to write this. Therefore,
Think the question and then frame the question either in the notebook and then ask. Okay, Dhwani?
my answer is correct.
Let me check what is your answer.
Ma'am, I can't understand the spelling. Ma'am, I have written in chat box.
I'm writing the spelling here. The bigger number is M-I-N-U-E-N-D. The bigger one. The smaller number is called S-U-B-T-R-A-H-E-N-D. Subtrahend. Now it's clear to you, Shivani. And this also, I will write answer is D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E. Difference.
Ma'am, after word problem, we have to write it, find the sum and that all. So,
Find the
and
sum.
sum
Sum
and
means total. Sum means you need to find the answer by adding.
okay, ma'am. So that down we write no that find the sum, find the total.
Huh?
So I'm confused in that. So what we have to
So
write
you
from
confuse in the statement.
Yes, ma'am. The statement
Very
down we
good,
have to
Riddhi.
write.
Very good. Riddhi is showing me how she has done.
Ma'am,
Statement.
I have written the answer in that
Chat
chat.
box. The statement you need to find, write it from the question only that the sum is this. Total sum is this. Okay.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes. Jignesh is 1250.
Yes,
Pritika is
ma'am,
1350.
1350 is correct. I basically wrote
Okay.
1, 2.
Let me check the difference of the what is the coming. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. So it is 1000. Put the comma also. Write the difference. DEFFERENCE. And do it fast. I need to give you more sums.
Ma'am, Jignesh answer is wrong.
Yeah, he will write again.
Ma'am, I have written.
Hmm.
In chat box, I by mistakenly pressed 2.
Ma'am, this sum we have to write in our maths notebook.
Yes. Be quick. And always remember when you are doing subtraction, so bigger number will come first. From smaller number, you will not able to subtract the bigger number. So always remember bigger number will come first. I'm going to erase my board. Fast take the screenshot or take the photo. I'm going to erase. I'm going to explain more. So can I erase the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let me.
ma'am, erase the board.
See now what I am explaining you, you no need to write, just listen. If the question come like this, subtract 5847 from 8425. In that case, what you will do? I have noticed many children do like this and they started subtracting. Is this a correct way? Am I visible
Ma'am,
to
no.
you all?
Yes, ma'am, it is not. Ma'am, 8 will bigger number will come first.
Ma'am, it is not correct way. It will be bigger than
Yes.
come
Bigger group of number will come first. This will come first. Always remember from. From means इसमें से इसको आपको माइनस करना है. राइट साइड वाले नंबर में से लेफ्ट साइड वाले नंबर को ऑलवेज बिगर नंबर विल कम फर्स्ट. 8425 minus 5847. And now it comes the borrowing situation. That also, please do this sum in your notebooks. And please, whenever you do subtraction, write their terms also. Minuend, subtrahend, and the difference. 5 minus 7 is not possible. So what we will do in this case, Moksh Patel? 5 minus 7 is not possible. And always please write their places at the top. Moksh Patel.
Yes.
If 5 minus 7 is not possible, what you will do in that case?
We take numbers from other numbers.
So what it will become now?
15.
15. So you are borrowing 1 or what you are borrowing from here?
1.
See children, this is 2 tens, 4 hundreds, 8 thousands are there, right? So if you borrow 110 to the ones, so it will become 10 plus 5, 15. That is why you just only write 1 here. and you start subtracting. But actual situation is you are borrowing 110, one complete 10 from here, and it will become 10 plus 5, 15 ones. Now from 15 ones, when you subtract the 7 ones, you will get how many ones now? How many ones remaining?
8.
8 ones.
8.
Now here, when you have given 110 to here, it will become only
10.
110. So now what you borrow from here?
12.
It will become
12.
12.
what?
4 will become 3.
11.
11.
11.
You borrowing no one. So when 11 minus 4 is what?
7.
7.
7.
And this will become what?
3.
3. 3 minus 8 is possible.
No.
No.
So we take 13 minus 8 is,
5.
5.
and this will become
7.
7.
7 minus 5 is,
2.
2.
and it is 2578.
Ma'am, this borrowing system can I do in mental?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we do in third also and second also.
Good, good. And children, always remember words less than will come. Then also you need to minus. For example, if I say 100 less than 900. So what you will do? Very good. This child is showing Riddhi. Good. 100 less than 900. What you will do? Like we have done in addition. Minus.
Minus.
What will be the answer?
800.
800.
Am I visible to you all clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 800.
800. And in addition, we have learned word added. If 100 added to 900, what will be the answer?
1000.
1000.
Yes. 100 more than 1200. 100. 100.
2200.
No. 100 more than 1200.
1300. 1300.
Yes, 1300. 1300. Jignesh, you typing wrong. Just check. Now comes to the word problems. In story problem, in subtraction also, suppose you have something and you need from that, you need to give something. Okay. And for example, suppose I give you in your class, total students are 30. In your class, total students are 30. Out of 30 students, 14 are girls. How many boys? How you will find out?
What, ma'am?
Ma'am,
In
subtraction. What the question is?
16 boys. 16 boys.
Ma'am,
In your class, total students are 30. Total story problems are is like I have made a story in grade 4B. Total students are 30. Out of 30 students are 14 are girls, and find how many are boys.
16 are boys.
Yes. So you need to write the statement also that number total students. Total students 30. Number of girls 14. When you subtract, you will find number of boys.
We have to write this.
No, just only understand. So 10 minus 6, 4 is not possible. Oh, we make it at 10 minus 4 is 6 and 2 minus 1 is 1, 16. One more story problem. In your library, there are 520 books. In your library, there are 520 books. Total books in library books in, sorry, total
Ma'am,
books.
this story problem we have to write in notebook.
You no need to write, just please pay attention here. Total books in a library 520. In story problem, it is compulsory to write the statement also. And when I send the worksheet to you, please send it to me. Please write it in the notebook with the statements. Word problems with the statements. Total books in a library are 520. Maths books, out of total maths books are 240. How many other subject books are there? Other subjects books are there in the library. Find the other subject. How many other
Ma'am,
subject
280.
books are
Ma'am,
there?
280. 280.
And 280.
12 minus 4 is 8.
280. Ma'am,
So
280. Sorry, 280. 280.
now you children also frame some story problems in the chat box. Fast.
Ma'am, with answer.
With answer. Some story problem based on subtraction. Am I clearly visible to you all, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Please make some story problem based on subtraction in the chat box. And write the answer also. And please note that you write with the bigger numbers, not the smaller numbers. Either 4-digit or 5-digit numbers. Take large numbers, 2-3-digit numbers you have already done in grade 3. Take large numbers, 5 or 6-digit numbers. Arush Miani, can you try one word problem? One story problem?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try. Muhammad Momin, can you tell us? Muhammad, turn on your mic. Your mic is off, Muhammad Momin.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please try one story problem with the large numbers based
Yes,
on
ma'am.
subtraction?
I have given in chat box. I am giving in chat box.
No, please, you speak in the class also. Chat box, I will read it later on.
I have 2,500 book,
Hmm.
and my friend have 2,600 books.
Hmm.
So we have to total the books.
Total, then it will be addition. We are doing the subtraction.
We have to minus.
So you say, no, which is having more books?
My
And
friend.
how much more? How much more?
My friend has 2,650 books, and I have 5,600 books.
Hmm. Who is having more and how much more? Then you do the subtraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Please don't write the one line. Please write the full sum. Like I have written, I have 99,987 pens in the shop. But this is not the proper question. Please write the full question in the chat box. Arth Gujarati, Diva, Shivani, Shivangi, Dhwani. I am expecting from everyone to write the way Jignesh has written. Total batch 1,000.
typing only that way.
Excellent, Jignesh. Total batch 1000, broken batch 250, total batch no. You write total word you will not use in the subtraction in the answer. You write the remaining good batch. Remaining batch, no, good one. This way you write the sentence,
Okay.
not the total batch after broken. No, this line is wrong. Okay. Asta has written 55,550 chocolates, 45,500 I have each. So, how much remaining? Just check. I'm expecting from everyone to please, it's 2-minute time only in your class now. Please write everyone. Shivani, one single line will not be accepted. Shivangini, please write the full. Because in between the other child will write and then you will not able to complete it. Yes, Asta, yours is right.
Ma'am, I am using with laptop, so I can't write that total batch, then that how gymnasium right.
Okay. So you can use you writing with what? From mobile?
Ma'am, now.
Yeah, now correct. Please write everyone. Why others are just sitting? Waiting for someone. Please write fast. Giving you the chat box option means I want to see how much you have learned. Hare has written, I have 987 pens in a shop. My brother gave this. He has 1000 less. No, this is the wrong language, please. My brother has. Okay. So he has 1000 less. Okay, good. Dhwani, the headphone. Other headphone. What is this? No, Dhwani, corrected, please. Shivani, I have reading book. This I give my friend this. I am left with this.
Ma'am, is it
One
right?
shopkeeper have this shoes.
Ma'am, I is
Another
right or
shopkeeper
wrong?
have this shoe. So
Ma'am, is it right?
yes, yes.
Ma'am, I is wrong.
Hare, who is saying wrong? Dhwani, yes, yours is wrong. You need to make again.
Ma'am, how Shivani's answer is 1002.
Which one?
Shivani.
Shivani, you check your answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Your statements are okay, and I give my friend, that also you need to check.
I gave.
Yes. Gujarati is
Ma'am,
written
so I
75,000.
whole
I have-
sum again.
No, it's okay. You need to do the calculation again. Potato chips. I have 8 and left with me this much. There are this much boys, this much girls in a school. This much girls left. How many girls are left? Number of girls are this. Number of girls left are this. Total are this. So much big question at this. We need to understand first. Where the total books is this after the books are sold. Very good. Books left with this much. Good. Just check the calculation whether the answer is yes, it's right.
Ma'am, I right.
Yes, very right. Good. Thank you, children. So I'm going to send you the worksheet. Pritika has written, let me check Pritika's. Chocolates are this, give to my friend this, remaining left. Just check the spellings. Arush, in a village, there are one school, there was 2000 boys and 1000 girls. Ayush, the question which you have done is based on addition.
Pritika, I have to write 1001 is the answer.
But answer also needs to check, and Pritika needs to check the language also. Computers are these and sold thousands. So how much are remaining? Yes, left. Good. So I hope you all are clear how to do subtraction, how to do the word problems. Here I will read your afterwards. I will get the I get the chat box also, so I will read it later. Okay. So please do the worksheet based on the topic which we have covered and do it in the notebook so that I know, right?